Hi friends, this video is to tell everyone what it's like to have a consultation with Shepelsky Law Group. The reason I decided to do this video is because a lot of people have questions about what seems like a simple thing, how to schedule, what is it like, and because of the times and because of the COVID pandemic, we have changed all our ways and all our systems in our law firm on relating to everything, every step of the consultation process. So I wanted to be very transparent and to tell you guys what you can expect if you're interested in a consultation with our team. So I start this by reiterating and repeating the fact that Shepelsky Law Group is a group of attorneys. Although you see me most often, sometimes you see my associate Alina Katz. I am the one who is like sort of the face of the group, but we're a group of legal experts. Some of us are experts in divorces in New York and New Jersey, family law. Some of us are experts in immigration, and even in immigration, we all have our little subspecialties. So when you call us, the first step that we have a contact with you guys is when you call us using the phone number below, right? Once you call us, we have a team that works with clients. We don't take everyone and we don't schedule every little call, every person who calls and asks for a consultation. We only schedule the people that when we screen and we talk to them, that we think we can help, right? We only schedule people who can afford not just to pay the consultation fee, and the consultation fee is $230, 230 US dollars, but who can actually afford to pay the fees that we would charge for things that people are calling us about. So the consultation is just like a little taste of what we can do for you. But in reality, we're interested in people calling and hiring us to represent them for cases, for immigration and divorces, right? So if you can't afford the consultation, I cannot help you because we are a private law firm and we don't get paid from the government or anyone else to cover our costs of speaking to you, our education, our research, our experience. The things that we can figure out for you in the span of the 1 hour consultation that you receive, some lawyers still don't know after practicing in their area, like immigration and divorces, for years and years. So the things that take us 10 minutes to figure out take other people days and research and hours. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about our fees and our consultation fees. So step one is you call us, you give us a call, and our intake team will schedule you on our schedule. Depending on what your question is and what the specialty is that's required, you'll be scheduled with one of our team members. It might not be me personally, although sometimes for the most complicated questions, it still comes down to me. But sometimes I'm out, I'm traveling, I'm doing other things. So you don't always get to speak to me, but we have a wonderful team that I personally found, selected, interviewed, trained. Everybody that's working with us has been working with us for years and years. So when you call us and you schedule a consultation, you'll be scheduling with one of our team members. You have to pay ahead $230 to book a slot, a calendar space on our calendar, our time. And we put you down on the calendar and we email you to confirm that you're scheduled. We email you the receipt for $230, which is not refundable because it compensates us for the time that we book for you. And we're pretty busy and we're happy to be busy because we like helping people. But if we scheduled you and you can't make it, that's not refundable. I'm very transparent about this, so this is what I'm talking about. The next step is we'll have our legal assistant call you and do an intake on the phone with you, where she's going to take down a lot of details and ask you a lot of questions that you might not even think are relevant to your case, but we think it's relevant, and create a consultation intake that she will email around to us. And the lawyer who will be consulting with you will prepare before they even speak to you. Do research, look up cases, check your alien number if you have it, and see what's going on with your case. Do work on your case before we even do the consultation. And then on the date of the consultation, we will reach out to you, whether it's by Zoom, which means we'll send you a Zoom link, whether it's by FaceTime or WhatsApp or any other video app. We have many, or you have the option, if you're local, to come in person to our office with all the COVID-19 safety precautions, wearing a mask, sitting 6 feet apart from our attorneys. You will be able to come in person, bring your paperwork, and talk to somebody in person. So that's part of our consultation. On the day of the consultation, our experts or one of our attorneys will call you, go over the notes, discuss your case with you, and create a plan of action. Sometimes we tell people, honestly, we don't have a plan of action. We cannot help you. And no, the person who scheduled the consultation couldn't figure that out without the lawyer hearing your story, considering all the things that lawyers know, and deciding that no, some people cannot be helped because maybe they were denied 3 times and have a marriage fraud finding already on their record. If we can help you, we'll tell you what the plan of action is and what is the total legal fee. I personally email everyone that I speak to the full discussion, all the notes from our consultation, the plan of action, and the legal fee and the deposit we require. We are not a bank, so we don't have 10 years payment plans for people. Okay, we're a small law firm. We try to help as many people as we can. We're a team of lawyers, but we're not a huge team. There's not a bank behind us that helps us have payment plans for people. So if we're working on your case, we usually take half of the legal fee up front as a deposit, as a retainer. One of our team members will email you the retainer, and you can do an electronic signature, which means you can just sign it on your phone to make it super easy. We have worked tirelessly for years since COVID hit, really, on all of these systems that make it easy for you guys. We're worried about customer service. We want to get your case started as soon as possible. As soon as you pay us, we want to start boom, 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 doing the work on your case, not losing any time. Sometimes there's deadlines. For that, we ask you to electronically sign some things, but some things will not be able to sign electronically. And we'll tell you what those are. For those things, you'll have to figure out how to do a signature, maybe print something out, sign, and take a picture on your phone, convert it into a PDF, and send it back to us. All of this is to make things super simple for you. If you're not able to do it, that's fine. Come to our office. We'll ask you to sign it in person, print everything out for you. We will never take any of your originals from you, which is illegal. We'll not take your passport. We'll not take your birth certificate. We'll not even take any of your bills or anything you're using for your case. We'll make a copy and give it back to you. Or we'll ask you to copy and scan and email us or upload the copies into your case portal, and we will provide you that if you become our client. All right? I hope this was helpful. I hope I explained how everything works. Remember, when you call, you'll get scheduled. You have to prepay for the consultation. We'll have a legal assistant call you and go over your case information, all of the details, ask you a lot of questions. Once we have that, we prepare before we speak to you. We review your notes. We do some research. Then we speak to you. We do the consultation. We send you the plan of action. We tell you the total legal fee. We tell you how much we need as a deposit. We tell you how much we can do for a short, tiny little payment plan. And then we start immediately using electronic signatures and things to make things quick and easy for you, because to us, customer service is extremely important. If you pay us for your case, expect good treatment, expect to have somebody get back to you the same day. at most the next day. You can always email us at any time with your questions and we will respond. I look forward to hearing from you. If you have a case that has to do with asylum, with VAWA, Violence Against Women Act, if you have denials, if you need an appeal, if you're in a situation where your marriage is falling apart and you have a 2-year conditional green card, all of those really complicated situations, we help people every day. We win almost every case we take on. We cannot win 100%. And again, I'm being clear and transparent with you, but we win well above 90% of our cases because we really work super hard in each and every one of these cases. And we have a lot of experience. I personally have been practicing since 2002. My team, many of them are practicing 10 years, 9 years. Some people are licensed in other countries as lawyers, so they practice law in other countries, and they've been admitted and licensed and practicing law here. So we look forward to helping you. We'll use all of our brains. You get a team approach. You get a team of brains helping you to make sure you win. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.